Have you ever wondered what it would be like to visit your favorite amusement park and not wait in any lines? Well, we've done that a few times. And if you're willing to brave the elements, you just may get your chance. Join us as we visit Universal Studios in Hollywood, California on a rare, chilly, and rainy day.
You must be more than goblin-sized.
My sister and niece were visiting us from out of state, and a visit to Universal is always required when they're in town. On this particular day, temperatures were lower than usual and a bit of rain was in the forecast. Making our way through an almost empty city walk, we stopped near the park's entrance to update my niece's photo in front of the director's statue and fountain. Moe's Tavern was a gathering spot for those wishing to get a break from the rain, and overall the Simpsons area seemed pretty busy. But it is also where the escalators from the studio tour and lower lot are located. We grabbed a quick lunch from Luigi's Pizza and got on our way. We took a walk to Hogwarts, which you can see was pretty empty compared to most days. Most were looking for shelter and grabbing their rain gear.
Oh, Dean, so you want to paint
Upon noticing on the Universal Studios app that the studio tour had only a 10-minute wait, we decided to head down to learn more about Universal's movie magic.
Had his office with us in building 15.
He's so much more than a monster. In fact, he's not a monster. He is an incredibly majestic, ancient creature. An important feature with Kong are his eyes. Kong's eyes are one of the expressions of their
A rain scene at night. Bringing that raindrops and that lighting together is really important to having a great effect on camera. But of course, effects range from small to large, and we have a larger practical effect to share.
From movie cars to killer sharks, floods, a trip to the Wild West at 6 Points, and the European set, which was also used as the afterlife in the show The Good Place, you'll see where some of your favorite shows and movies have been filmed. Newer to the studio tour, we find ourselves in Jupiter's Claim from Jordan Peele's 2022 horror film, Nope.
Over there, look into the winking well. Have your picture taken just like the kids in that old 90s movie Kid Show. That's what this whole place is loosely based on. Remember that one? No? Well, I do. A little further down, you can see the brand new Star Lasso experience. Built to showcase an unbelievable new live show. It's not looking so live. Anyway, behind this Hollywood fantasy, Gold Rush Frontier Town. Welcome to the world of no.
After departing the studio tour, we came back to Springfield and visited the Quickie Mart. Here you can treat yourself with a Lard Lad's donut, Duff beer merchandise, and more. My sister grabbed a pair of socks to replace her wet ones following an encounter with a large puddle. It was time to head to the lower lot, where you'll find Jurassic World, The Mummy, Transformers, and Super Mario Land. This is usually one of the busiest areas in the park, but not today. You may even encounter a baby dinosaur, or one about to hatch.
And I'll grab her back. Here we go, thank you. Nice. Would you like to try holding her too? Hey, there you go, nice. Now, we did expect her to hatch yesterday. Well, it's about 25 days into her gestation period.
In the Jurassic World gift shop, you won't have to worry about getting attacked by raptors or a T-Rex, but you can find some amazing gifts or something for yourself. Shirts, dinosaur masks, mugs, collectibles, action figures, and more are available. If you're feeling particularly adventurous, there are also snacks available, like crickets, worms, and well, whatever this is inside of a lollipop. My sister, my niece, and I went over to my favorite ride, Revenge of the Mummy. In this ride, you're trying to escape from the Mummy Emotep. It's an indoor coaster and mostly in the dark. Just when you think you've escaped, you're sent backwards on the track for a whole new thrill. Be sure to make use of the provided lockers so you don't lose any loose belongings. This ride always has a long line, so being able to basically walk right on, only waiting to load into our seats, was amazing. After escaping Emotep, we made our way to Transformers Metro Base to join the Autobots in a battle against the evil Decepticons in this immersive 3D experience. Yeah.
Nest and the Nest Recruitment Training Center are based here. The Allspark is also secured within this location. You, as a Nest trainee, are joining line. Senator Orange Vacuum Cleaner. If you ever get a visual on this one, it is probably already too late for you.
To end our time in the lower lot, we made our way to the newest area at Universal Studios Hollywood, Super Nintendo World. No detail was missed in the design of Super Nintendo World. Through the line for Mario Kart Bowser's Challenge, an immersive 3D, 4D ride, we were able to make it through the queues without stopping thanks to the weather and only had to wait a few moments before boarding our vehicle. Enjoy the sights of Super Nintendo World without the sounds of Super Nintendo World because, well, copyright.
I've been told boy's best friend is his mother.
Visiting Hogwarts under this sky was just perfect. We walked through the ride with ease as it was near closing on a day with hardly any foot traffic to begin with.
to soar, you must be more than goblin-sized.
The Forbidden Journey 3D experience is not for the faint of heart. If you're prone to motion sickness, like my husband, I may suggest against it, or be sure to take some Dramamine beforehand. That was just a small taste of this fantastic ride that you'll have to experience for yourself. After exiting the ride, you'll make your way out to the gift store on your way back out to Hogwarts. And that was our day at the park. Before we made our way home, there was just one more stop to make. For us, a trip to Universal Studios isn't complete without a visit to Voodoo Donuts. Usually Matt and I just get one to split, but since my sister and niece were with us, we wanted to sample a variety of their selection. Join us in our next video as Matt and I take a hike to the top of Mount Rubidoux in Riverside, California. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider commenting and subscribing. That helps us to learn which videos you want to see more of. Also be sure to follow us everywhere at Grecobon.